Hey guys, it's Tori. So today's video is gonna be exciting, different. It's gonna be a long time coming, I can already tell, because this is gonna take me a long time to do everything, and this is just gonna be a long video, so prepare yourselves. But I am moving. This is actually gonna be my new bedroom that I'm in. I'm gonna show you guys it, and I'm also gonna show you guys everything that I bought for this room so far. But yeah, I'm moving out. Crazy, right? But I thought that I would take you guys along on the journey and kind of show you guys my new room and the process of setting it up and decorating and the before and after and a bunch of hauls of things that I buy along the way. But yeah, so I'm going to give you guys an overview of the room, and then I'll show you everything I've bought in so far. There is still a lot to do in here. Avery and I did a lot of work in here yesterday. I didn't film any of it because she was helping me, and it was just like we were really in the groove, you know. But I will show you guys what it looks like now, and then I can't wait to finally see what it's gonna look like later. I can't wait to like just see everything together and visualize it and everything. But yeah, I'm very excited for this journey. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get into this room transformation / moving in situation. Okay, so this is the room currently. Just like a little overview. That is all of my makeup. Yeah, lots of it. But this is the room currently, the current situation that we have going on. The floors are purple and they have to stay purple. There's no way that I can change that, which is pretty unfortunate because I don't really like purple carpet, but it is what it is. This is my closet. She is like huge and amazing and I love it, but this is the current situation. There's going to be a lot going on in here, a lot of change. The vibe is going to be very different from what my current bedroom is. My current bedroom is very like red themed and like more of my like, I don't know, it's just the different personality that I have. This room is going to be very like cozy, and like my tones are going to be green and brown and gold and neutrals, and just I want it to be very warm and cozy in here. So that's kind of what we're going for. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I have bought so far. Okay, so this lighting and angle isn't the best, but it's all I have for now. My ring light isn't here yet, so we're just going to have to deal with this situation. You're literally propped up on a mason jar and a water bottle. So there's going to be lots of hauls throughout this video, so this is just the first of many, and there are some things in here that are not exactly room related, but I'm going to show you anyways because I've been shopping, and you know, who doesn't love a good haul? So I went to Target first. There's like 3 Target bags. First thing I got, Ariana Positions vinyl. This is my first Ariana vinyl, and this is the limited edition Coke bottle green one, which I'm so excited about, but I'm wanting to display my vinyls somewhere in my room, so I got this one. I got this really cute little globe. I figured this would be cute on like a shelf or something. I don't know. I just wanted a decor item. I got a planner for college and work and stuff. If you don't know, I am going to college. I plan on doing online now that I am moving away from the college I was originally going to go to. So I'm going to just do online classes, and I figured that a planner would be good to kind of keep my shit together. I got a few clothes. I got these cute little shorts from Wild Fable. These were like $8. I love shorts like that. I live in them. And then I also got this super cute cropped green hoodie, also from Wild Fable. This was $4.50. This was on sale. How could you not? And green, I love green. If you don't know, green and brown are like my life. And then I the last thing I got from Target is this comforter. I got a like forest green comforter. She's gonna be so cute. I want to get chocolate brown silk sheets and pillowcases for my bed, so we're gonna do brown and green, which it's gonna look like a tree, but I don't even care. It's gonna be cozy and cute. And then Aeropostale, I just got one shirt. It just says this. It says Hamptons, New York. It's cute. It is whatever. And then from Barnes and Noble, I bought 2 books. If you don't know me, I am a huge book lover, book reader, book nerd. So I have a lot of books. I bought The Summer I Turned Pretty. I watched the whole show, and so of course I want the book. This is the first of 3, but I figured we'd start with this and then extend the series collection. And then I also got Love in Other Words by Christina Lauren. I've heard really good things about this on TikTok, and I have 1 or 2 other books from her, so I'm gonna give that a go. Back to the room decor. I have this shelf. This was a graduation gift, so it looks like it goes like this. I don't know what I'm gonna put on here, maybe some of my vinyls or something, but I don't know where this is gonna go yet. That shelf that's up there isn't gonna stay there. Maybe this one will replace it, but I don't really know where I want my wall stuff to go yet. I'm gonna have to kind of figure that out. And then I got this really cute tiny rug from Five Below. I also don't know where I want to put this yet, but I bought her because she's cute and she matches kind of my cozy color vibe. And then from Five Below, I also bought a sunset lamp. Avery and I tested this out last night and it's so cute. I'm so excited to find somewhere to put this and use it because it's gonna really help with the ambiance in here, the coziness. I bought some plants because how could I not? If you don't know me, I'm obsessed with plants. Yes, they are fake, but there's no windows down here, so the only way I'm gonna be able to have real plants is if I get like a plant lamp that's like meant for growing plants. But I got this cute little one just for like a shelf or something. And then I got this cute one too, also for like a shelf or something. I don't know, I just kind of been buying like random decor things. Just things I think are cute. I don't know where everything's going yet, but I'm just kind of buying and then we'll figure it out. And the last thing for this first haul is this little just brown basket. Once again, I don't know where this is gonna go, but she's cute. And yeah, that's everything for this first haul. Everything on that one bookshelf that you guys saw is my stuff. I slowly brought what I could here already, and then the clothes in the closet are also mine, but for the most part that's the only thing I have here other than those totes that you guys saw full of all my makeup and stuff. So there's still plenty of things that I need to transport here, but that's kind of our starting point. Hello guys, so I am currently at Target to pick up a bookshelf that I had them put on hold for me. I was gonna buy it the other day when Avery and I went shopping, but she told me to wait and I did, and now I'm like, okay, I want it, and you can barely find it at any Target, so just drove 35 minutes after work to pick it up. I'm also gonna look for some more books because I finished the book that I was reading in literally less than 24 hours. So I'm gonna go in there and do that, and then I think I'm gonna run to Cosmoprof really quick to grab some Olaplex products. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so I got my bookshelf, it's back there. I also found a lamp at Target. I bought 3 books. Lock my car. I bought this one, which was on my list. The main one I wanted, they did not have, but I found some other ones. Book Lovers, and then also The Deal, which this one sounds really good. I might read that one first. And then at Cosmoprof, which I got lost trying to get here because I haven't been to this Cosmoprof in a very long time. But at Cosmoprof, I got the Olaplex No. 9 serum and the brand new Olaplex 4C clarifying shampoo. So I got everything I needed. I spent a little more money than I was expecting to, at least at Target, just based on my books. I got a really cute lamp, but yeah, now I'm gonna go home. Okay, I got home like an hour ago, and tonight I am going to start taking down all my decor, which I have a lot of. I will give you guys a little overview of my room to show you. I don't know if I'm gonna film during me taking things down because I am having a helper come. I just don't really feel like recording in front of people, but I will give you a little before and after. Hello, it is a new day. So today is currently, I don't even know, 26th, 27th, something like that. It's a Tuesday. I just got off of work at babysitting, and we are gonna go into Five Below because I was here yesterday and I grabbed a few things, but there was a few things I was like, I don't know, and now I can't stop thinking about them, so I'm back. This is like my 4th time at Five Below. So we're gonna see if they still have the things that I'm wanting. Take you guys in there with me. They actually do have some really cute stuff. There's this really cute clothing rack that I almost bought, but I decided not to, because I don't know if I want a clothing rack anymore or not. I can always get one later, but I kind of need to get to my dad's and like really see where I'm gonna put everything, you know, before I buy any more furniture than I already have. So we're just gonna get some decor things, but let's go ahead and get inside. Okay, so that was successful. I have all my goodies back there. There was one thing that they didn't have that I was looking for, but I'm probably just gonna see if they have it on Amazon. I've spent so much money on home decor, it's ridiculous. But at least when I move out, I won't have to buy as much stuff. That's how I'm justifying all my purchases. But I think I'm gonna do some more packing tonight. And that's kind of my update for now. Okay guys, so I'm about to end the first part of this vlog series. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of my room, and then that'll be the end of episode 1. So make sure you check out episode 2. Alright guys, that is the end of this first vlog of moving. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you stick around and check out the next part or episode. I don't really know what I'm gonna put in the title yet, but I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!